If you sell anything online, I want you to hear this. In many cases, businesses don't struggle because their product is bad. They struggle because their advertising isn't working as well as it could. And the landscape has changed dramatically. Going into 2026, a lot of the brands that grow the fastest aren't always the ones with the best products. They are often the ones that can create more ad creatives, test more variations, move faster, and do it more efficiently. And if you can't keep up with that pace, you risk getting out-tested, outspent. So today I'm going to test an AI tool that claims it can help with exactly this. Quick transparency before we continue. This video is not business or financial advice. I'm simply sharing my personal experience and opinion while testing a tool. I've also teamed up with Arcades for this video and they are sponsoring it. But everything you're about to see is a real hands-on walkthrough. Alright, let's get into it. First and foremost, Arcades is a SaaS platform designed to help founders and marketing teams create UGC-style video ads using AI. It allows you to generate video ads from text scripts, choose from 300 plus AI avatars, create multiple variations for testing, and analyze creatives to see what one performs the best. So instead of relying entirely on creatives, you can generate 10 ads, 20 ads, or even 50 variations without picking up a camera, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. Unheard of 2 years ago. I decided to partner with Arcades because it addresses a real challenge many online businesses face, including what I've faced in the past, creating enough ad creatives to test consistently. And I'll show you the workflow step by step so you can judge for yourself whether it's useful or not. Let's talk about common challenges online sellers face. Whether you run an e-commerce store, apps, lead generation, or services, many teams struggle with ad performance, low CTR, or inconsistent ROAS. And finding and managing UGC creators takes time. Creative control is another problem. Additionally, the final output doesn't always match your brand's localization. Also, producing ads for different regions can be expensive. Arcades is designed to help reduce friction in these areas. The first feature from my perspective is really powerful because it helps reduce guesswork. Arcades has a tool called Spy Agent. Now what it does, it analyzes ads running in your niche, identifies common structures and angles, and helps generate new scripts inspired by what's working. So instead of starting from zero, you're using existing patterns as reference. Example, if you're selling a skincare product, instead of manually analyzing competitors for hours, Spy Agent helps surface hook styles, messaging angles, script frameworks. This can not only save you time, but it can also give you more ideas to test when you think about it. Once you have scripts, the next bottleneck is turning them into video ads. That process is often slow, expensive, and repetitive. This is where Arcades tries to speed things up. Now, inside Arcades, the process looks like this. Paste your script, choose an AI actor, adjust voice and delivery, generate the video. The goal here isn't perfection, it's speed and iteration. Arcade features include AI UGC generator, 300 plus AI avatars, text-to-video conversion, speech-to-speech with lip sync, batch creation for variation. Batch creation is especially useful because in advertising, faster testing often leads to better insights. This next feature shows how flexible this tool can be. You can generate an image, upload it to Arcades, and turn it into talking video avatar. No camera, no studio. This can be useful for UGC-style ads, onboarding videos, explainers, and localization. Now here's why this matters from a marketing perspective. Many online businesses struggle because they don't test enough creatives, they spend budget on ads that don't perform, and they rely too heavily on small number of winners. Now, using tools like this can help create a more structured testing system, identify angles, generate multiple creatives, test, scale what works. When used properly, this can help improve efficiency and decision making, but results always vary. You gotta remember that. So who is Arcades best suited for? From my point of view, it's e-commerce founders, media buyers, paid ads managers, growth teams, agencies, founders scaling paid traffic. If you run ads regularly, this is the type of tool you might want to test. Now, one thing I do admire is creative control. You write the script, you generate the ads, you iterate quickly, no waiting on creators, no back and forth delays. Now, if you want to explore Arcades yourself, I put the link in the top part of the description. They also have an affiliate program if you're a marketer or a creator. Using my link supports the channel. Appreciate it. To round it up, if you sell online, you need a solid product and a marketing process that can keep up. Arcades is one tool designed to help with that process. Look, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you about Arcades today, but it is time for me to round up this video. If you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I am rounding this video up now, and I'll see you in the next video where we are of course going to be talking about more of the same. Take care now. Bye bye.